what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers and my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. If you're brand new to my channel, I feel like I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. And also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up. It really goes a long way. But this one is coming from Nike. I got this off of the sneakers app. As you know, Nike's been doing like secret releases, not unannounced, earlier than expected, and this is actually one of them. They originally released this or posted it on the sneakers app on a Wednesday, like I think roughly around 1:30 or roughly around there. I actually missed that drop, and then the following day I actually got a exclusive access to this, so I'm glad that I was able to grab these. So let's crack this open right here. If you already know what released, then you should know what this pair is. Right here. Crack this open here. This again from Nike, right there. And let's see. Right here, you got a Nike box right there. The Air Jordan 1 box. Size 10, Air Jordan 1. Off-White NRG. Suggested retail is $190. Colorway is white powder blue cone. So if you know what that is, then these are the Off-White UNC. And as you can see the top, you can see perforations right there, because you can actually lift that open, I guess, once you rip it apart. And there is a plastic underneath, which is very nice. The usual paper is actually in plastic, as you can see right here, and it actually says Off-White for Nike, Air Jordan 1, Beaverton, Oregon, USA, 1985. That's also a dope touch in my opinion. And here they are, the UNC Off-White. These are dope. So you can see you have the extra laces. You do have the white laces, and then you have the orange, and then you have the blue. And again, they all say shoelaces on them. So bottom's like the regular Jordan 1 bottom. You do have air right there. And then the materials, again, they made it it's kind of like deconstructed. Again, with the Nike swoosh right here, it's only being held by right there and here. So there is a gap. And this one is actually a little bit different than the original Chicago colorway. So they did make it a little bit different. I believe this side was also a little bit different as well. I have to actually grab mine later on and look at it. Again, you have the orange patch right there. Then you got the wings, which does have 85 on them, right there. You got the tongue, which again, you can have the exposed foam right there. You got the Nike Air on the side. And again, you have the more exposed foam right there. And again, they're all, this one is all in blue, in white, pretty much, with a little bit of blue tint. Again, you got the white laces that has shoelaces on them. And then inside you do have Nike Air, which with the little right there. And these are clean. And then you got the zip tie right there, Off-White. Here's the other one. Again, you got kind of like a sample stamp right there. And then of course you also have the Made in China tags. And this time around also, didn't come laced up. Because like the Chicago colorway, it actually came laced up. So but this one, they come unlaced. So like the regular Jordan 1 shoe. So you guys have any questions, just hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. And I just wanted to find out also, how do you like these releases that Nike and Jordan Brand are doing? That they're releasing shoes, you know, kind of early, you know, unannounced. You pretty much have to stay awake as far as when these releases go. So, all right, YouTube, if you guys have any questions, hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. All right, YouTube, peace out.